Hey YouTube, welcome back guys, and then happy Thursday. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the 5-pack HP Laserjet Pro 200M 251NW toner cartridge. This is the premium high yield genuine toner power filled and then color as a OEM. So this is not original, but it is pretty cheap. I got the 5-pack for only $46.75. If you buy one of this pack, if it's original HP, probably you could only buy one. But previously I have a refill for my old printers. But since this is color and then the refill is almost the same price, plus I'm getting a new cartridge. By the way, this is not refurbished cartridge, so in case you guys are wondering. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Refill your cartridge, save some money, but I didn't want to get my hand dirty. And on this one, you gotta change it. I'm pretty sure you gotta change the chips. Make sure there's no receipt. Oh, it is upside down. So I got 5 packs. I got the 2 of the black one, and then 1 blue one, 1 magenta, and then 1 yellow one. So as you can see, it says premium toner cartridge. I guess that's a compatible for other printer. So as you can see, this is the magenta one, or pink. And this one is the yellow color. And this is the black, and then another black, then the last one is the blue color. Okay, it says 100% warranty. So open the black one. So it's a pretty nice package. They have a foam on both sides to protect it. And this is a shrink wrap. It says made in China. So you will need to take out this orange cap. There's a clip right here. And you need to break this and pull out this plastic tab in order for the toner to go into the rollers. Okay. I bought some of this previously, and then I forgot to do the unboxing, so I'm doing this unboxing for you guys to check it out. And there's like a instruction on how to take out your toner and put it back in. Maybe I should make a video on how to do that in case if you guys need help, but it is a pretty simple task. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on that bell for notification. And share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any other comments on below. Alright? And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video guys. Alright, like always, peace.